number. Over 2 billion people begin a day, filled with great moments made possible by MyDear. Sipping a glass of orange juice, chilled to perfection. Slipping on a favorite pair of jeans with that fresh, just washed feeling. Awakening to a room temperature so ideal, you won't even mind if someone stole all the blankets. Since 1968, MyDear's promise to the world has been simple. We are dedicated to creating friendly solutions for the ones who treasure those tiny moments at home. This promise has helped MyDear become one of the largest home appliance manufacturers in the world, spanning over 200 countries and territories, with revenue of nearly $24 billion and year-on-year growth of 20%. Our success comes from our products, our partners, and our people. MyDear's advantage begins long before our products hit the shelves. Our global footprint includes 23 plants around the world, and we invest more than $700 million in research and development every year, with R&D centers in North America, Europe, and Asia. Our partnership with Japanese automatic technology giants places us right in the heart of the innovative robotics industry. All these make us the global leader in numerous product categories. With more than 15,000 granted patents, we are setting tomorrow's standards today. In 2014, our products won 42 awards worldwide. Our partners help bring those products from factories to store shelves and into people's lives. MyDear is constantly expanding our roster of partners across the globe. By end of 2014, there were 3,800 overseas outlets with year-on-year growth of 46%. And last year alone, over 400 stores were opened and renovated with strong support from MyDear. Whether our partners offer shop-in-shop or brand store environments, MyDear support includes style guidelines and display racks to assure attractive in-store experiences. And our promoter management app helps simplify and modernize training and managing of promoters. As we keep expanding globally, we will continue supporting our partners because at MyDear, we believe the best success is shared success. Sharing success is at the heart of our approach to our people as well. One of MyDear's core values is a people-first orientation. It's a value we share with over 130,000 employees worldwide. We have an extensive training program for career leadership that cultivates future global leaders. Our leadership program pairs our employees with world-class education partners in the US and Singapore. And our intercultural training program can be found in 20 countries and 17 languages, equipping our employees with cultural issues and how-tos. It is part of our culture to constantly inspire and innovate. And this spirit is best embodied by the MyDear Innovation Works program, which encourages employees to create their very own startups inside the company. By investing in our products, sharing success with our partners, and creating growth for our people, MyDear is able to deliver our promise to those who matter most, our consumers. Our consumers are inspiring us to continue delivering innovations such as M-Smart, a next-generation approach to product integration that connects products across categories and is accessible on laptops, tablets, and of course, mobiles. These innovations create the moments that make home the most special place in the world. Moments of laughter, moments of warmth, moments of, seriously, stop stealing all the blankets. Creating friendly solutions for the ones who treasure those tiny moments at home is not easy, but together, we know we can achieve it. MyDear, make yourself at home.
I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Moments with My Dia. This is our 7th episode. My name is Riva, which this afternoon will be featuring some of my Dia's laundry appliances. And with me for this afternoon is my special co-host, Miss Bing De Ramos. Hi, Miss Bing.
Hi, Riva. Good afternoon.
I'm so happy she is with us today. She will be actually learning a lot about my Dia's laundry appliances. Miss Bing,
Yep.
excited ka?
Medyo, konti-konti lang.
Konti-konti
Actually,
lang.
this is my first time to join the Moments with My
Yeah.
Dia live stream. Actually, I normally work behind the scenes eh. Since walang kasama si Riva, I opted to be with her and basically tell you guys, give you some tips on and also present to you some of the ideas, laundry products for today.
Excited ako dyan. Mga things tayong pag-uusapan. Sandali, kinukuha ko yung mga labahin natin eh.
Oo, tama yan.
Okay, Hi guys, I'm back. Kinuha ko yung labahin namin, Miss Bing, because after this episode, maglalaban na kami.
Yes.
Miss Bing, you mentioned about laundry appliances.
Exactly.
Ngayon bang tag-ulan, ano yung struggle niyo sa bahay?
Sa bahay, normally, pagka umuulan, dahil kami, normally, ginagawa namin yung
Oo.
laundry namin sa rooftop
Oh, okay.
para mas exposed sa sunlight. Pero pag,
Correct.
because of the weather,
Oo.
especially last week, para 4 days na umulan,
Totoo.
hirap na hirap kaming
Patuyo.
even just hanging the towels na ginamit ng after taking a bath. Sobrang mahirap siyang matagal. What if yung paglalaban natin?
Laundry talaga.
Oo, so we have to really lessen the laundry para lang lahat matuyo. Kasi if you finish all of the laundries, lahat yan mangangamoy. Kahit na...
Agreed.
Exactly.
Well, that is my pet peeve, guys. Just to give you an idea, yung damit na hindi natuyo.
Nang maayos.
Sobrang sensitive ang ilong ko doon, kaya ayaw na ayaw ko yung ganun. So I know how it feels, Miss Bing, and to our viewers, yung feeling na may amoy or whatsoever, amoy kulog.
Oo,
So,
iba pa rin yung tuyo na expose sa araw. Pero
Totoo.
of course, iba pa rin yung tamang paglalaba using
Correct.
the washing machines.
yes. So, Miss Bing, before we proceed, I'd like to say hi first to our friends online. I'd like to say to Douglas Ramsey. Hi, Sir Douglas. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po. Thank you for watching us.
I'd like to say also hi to Karen Joy Dinero.
Toshiro Hamasaki. Hi, Toshiro. And Justin Dapitan Gerioso. Nandito rin si Leo Berdigel. At syempre, ang mga friends natin na si Dijan Michael Martinez Morada. Oh, di ba? Nakakatuwa naman sila. So, guys, alam niyo ba, we are really excited to talk about our laundry products which are present here in our showroom in Under One Roof, which is actually
Under One
located
Roof Experience
Center. Correct. It is actually located in Chino Roses, Makati. And for our viewers
Who wants to experience the different Idea products, not only for laundry,
Yep.
they are welcome here at Under One Roof. Pero guys,
we have to do appointment first, okay? Siyempre, we have to follow IITF protocol, so you can actually reach out to our Facebook page, Under One Roof Field, or punta kayo sa website,
www.underonerooffield.com para po, pwede sila makapag-schedule.
At saka hindi lang yan mga products, appliances products ang nandito sa UOR.
Correct.
Kaya siya tinawag na Experience Center because there's also different setups ng kitchen dito. Kung may
Oh!
inspiration to build your own kitchen at home.
Inspiration, no?
Exactly. You can get inspiration from the Under One Roof Experience Center. So, go to Chino Rosas Avenue. We are at the KDC Plaza in Chino Rosas.
Right across Don Bosco, School
Exactly.
Makati.
Oo.
Miss Bing, ready ka na for the first product?
Ready na ako. Oh, by the way, kung aside from going here personally sa UR, they can also visit the website, di ba?
Yep. They can go to underonerooffield.com. And guys, don't forget to follow us on Facebook.
That's
Idea Philippines. Alright. For Instagram, that's Idea PH.
Yep.
Alright. And also we have YouTube, that's
Idea Philippines Official. Miss Bing, uunahin ko na. Let's start with
Yes.
the Idea 12 by 8 kilogram fully automatic front load combo.
washing machine.
Okay. Miss Bing, ba, ito sa mga favorite.
Favorite ko. Okay.
Kasi pag iniisip nilang front load, okay, sinasabi nilang front load, ito yung gusto nilang yamanin daw.
Front load, yeah. oo.
Ito, Miss Bing.
Exactly this one. Oo. So yeah, actually maganda to. Especially doon sa mga families na talagang they have heavy laundry every week or during laundry time, yung mga duvet, yung mga curtains,
Totoo, Miss Bing.
comforters, kayang-kaya nitong front load na to.
Okay.
And you mentioned that di ba, Riva, you said 7 pesos?
Yes, 7 pesos lang for 1 hour of wash and dry.
So it's really very very efficient, especially sa mag-uumpisa na mga families, di ba?
Totoo. Kasi siya, isang load mo lang.
Oo, tsaka sa mga bagong kasal, let's see lang on the inside o see.
Ang daming labahin, sandali, hindi ko makuha.
Oo nga, sorry.
Miss Bing, sandali, nadalhin ko ba dyan yung mga damit natin?
Cortina, comforter ba yan dala mo?
Ha?
Comforter?
Hindi, ang bigat eh. Rami yata itong mga damit na mga pamangkin
Yeah,
ko.
oo. So yan, kitang-kita nyo naman dito guys, if you can see the sticker, it says 10-year warranty on motor and drum and then 3 years on parts and labor. So kung ano ba magkaroon ng diferensya dito sa washing machine nyo, sa front load washing machine, you can be aware or you'll really be happy na meron siyang
Correct.
10-year warranty.
Miss Bing,
and
alam mo,
3 years.
hindi mo dadalhin ko damit dyan. Ito na. Dadalhin ko yung damit dyan. Kasi gusto
Sarado
ko
natin.
tayo ng laundry natin.
Tayo natin doon sa front load natin. Pero alam mo ba, Miss Bing, that this has actually a 70% less of water and has 360 degrees on dimensional clean care.
Oh, kung alam mo, yung ibang tao kasi pag nakita nila yung ganitong klaseng washing machine, akala nila,
Oo.
since it's like, front load, normally ito yung nakita natin sa mga movies na ginagamit ng mga artista.
Oo.
Like, for example, sa US, akala kasi nila, yung mga ganitong klaseng washing machine, sobrang magastos. Sa
Sorry
tubig,
guys, yung damit ko
sa
kasi
kuryente.
iniwan ko naman mabigat eh.
Oh, welcome back. Welcome back to the live streaming.
Correct.
So, basically, akala nila yun, magastos, pero hindi.
Ito ang pinakamatipid, guys. First, sa tubig. Miss Bing, ha?
Oo.
Because it is actually front load, nakaganon yung drum mo. So, kaunti lang yung tubig na kinukonsume mo. Expecting, naku, mahal yan, bang mayaman, or whatsoever. No, guys. it is an investment that
Yes.
you actually going to have because matipid po siya in reality.
True.
Diba?
Meron siya 360 degrees.
Yes.
Dimensional clean care. Ano
Care.
yun, Riva?
Guys, imagine na lang, ako ay isang washing machine na front load. Okay, ito yung kamay ko, diba? So, pag 360 dimensional clean care kasi, ang ikot niyan is iniisip natin 360 na ikot na ganon. Yung damit natin, yes. Pero yung ating pinaka-drum moves at 180. Tapos babalik siya, counterclockwise. Kasi ginagawa nun, to lessen the tangle.
Exactly.
And lessen yung lukot-lukot na damit. So imagine yung paglabas nyo ng damit nyo, yung isang sa pantalon, yung isa nasa loob, yung isa nasa labas. It will less that one. Kasi yung 360 na yung ibig sabihin nyo, umiikot yung 360 yung drum mo.
Ina-untangle niya.
Yes, inaalis yung tangle. Tapos guys, alam nyo ba, para siyang imagine mo yung pinapalo-palo kasi binabagsak yung damit mo. So as mentioned earlier, bacteria, yung mancha, or even yung mga maduduming
Stains.
is actually going to be, kumbaga, quote-unquote, sorry for the term, parang binubugbog niya at nilalabanan niya, aalisin niya yung mga bacteria loob noon. Di ba?
So, actually, basically, hindi lang siya naglalaba.
Yes.
It's also taking care of your clothes.
Agree.
Oo. Pero may mga tip kami mga misis, doon sa bago niyo po ilagay yung mga damit niyo sa front load, please tanggalin niyo yung mga minsan kasi normally nakakalimutan yun. Papel. Mga tissue, resibo.
Ma'am, mga coins.
Barya, oo,
Diba? Totoo naman.
Tapos hindi alam nito, minsan may mga naglalaban, especially doon sa mga pants, they tend to like just put it inside. Our suggestion is basically zip it up
Okay.
para hindi makaskas yung ano.
Pero
pag
Miss Bing,
ilipat
totoo
yun,
ba na dapat ang mga damit natin pag nilalabahan, turn upside
baliktad.
down?
Sabi na baliktad.
Kasi para take good care ang cloth,
Yes.
tsaka yung
Kulay.
tingkad ng damit natin.
Yung kulay ng damit.
Wow,
Oo.
That's something actually,
Yeah.
something verifying. Kasi ako naglalaba ako, pero minsan, shoot mo na lang kasi, diba?
Tapos of course yung mga sort of soft na tela na like yung mga underwears. If you have a laundry net, put there, ilagay niyo siya. Kasi minsan yung ibang tao lagay lang ng lagay. Tapos minsan yung ibang hindi marunong mag-segregate ng damit. Unahin niyo yung puti. Di ba normally ganon? Unahin niyo yung puti.
Nag-guilty po ako doon.
Iwala yung mga mabibigat sa mga mas
Pagagaan.
pagagaan na
Totoo
tela.
naman.
Kasi may minsan na sinasama nila yung underwear at saka yung
Totoo.
pants.
So, naninis-nis.
Exactly, tapos yung mga strap ng underwear. Of
Agree.
course, sa mga babae, ito, pero sa mga
Correct.
sa lalaki hindi nila alam, pero sa mga babae, just to take care of lingerie of your underwear, you can basically use a laundry net and
Yes,
put
it is
inside.
available in the supermarket or
Exactly.
department
Oo.
store.
Marami naman.
Guys, may tips na si Miss Bing. Pero for more than...
Speaking,
Speaking from experience, but more than that, we actually at My Dia Philippines make it sure that sharing knowledge, tips, hacks actually is available also in our social media. We have Facebook page, which is My Dia Philippines. We also have in Instagram at My Dia PH. Syempre, YouTube namin, that's My Dia Philippines Official. Follow us, guys, para malaman nyo more of the laundry and other products of My Dia.
Kasi pag marunong kayong mag-take care of your clothes and you actually use the right appliances, there's no need for you to go to the laundromat.
Actually, totoo, ma'am.
Oo.
Ang mahal din ng laundromat, ha?
Unless walang kuryente sa bahay nyo.
Or, nakondumod na siraan tayo ng unit. Tama naman. Miss Bing, meron tayo kaninang 12x8 na washing machine. Pero syempre, lalo na tag-ulan, ito sa mga gustong-gusto kong sa bahay. We are presenting to you, or would like to introduce to you, another laundry product of My Dia. Let me show you our My Dia 6.5 kilogram front load dryer. Ito yan.
Napakaganda niya, actually.
Very clean tignan, di ba?
Tingnan nga natin.
Easy to use. Ikot lang dito, pindot-pindot lang dyan. May dry ka ng damit, di ba?
Again, there's a certificate of warranty.
Warranty. There's a warranty inside, warranty certificate.
Yep.
There's user manual inside. And guys, just to give you an idea, the front load dryer feature is quick dry. Okay? We also have it's protecting our clothes from wrinkles or damages. Kasi pag inisip nyo ng quick dry, baka sabihin nyo sobrang init ng tubig or nung steam sa loob, it will take good care of your clothes. Kasi we make it sure na hindi masisira yung clothes natin. Kasi that's how we care. Because of work-class quality, My Dia make it sure na nag-i-innovate sila time to time on their products.
Doon ho sa mga bibili ng mga ganitong appliances, yung mga front load, don't be scared of using them.
Oo,
Kasi
ma'am.
sometimes ganun parang kaya ko ba yung i-operate?
Totoo.
May ganun na notion yung mga viewers na, kaya hindi sila bumibili ng mga ganito akala.
Mahirap gamitin.
Bukod sa akala nila, magastos siya,
Oo.
and also hindi siya user-friendly. Hindi ho. Lahat po ng
Yan.
appliances from IDEA are surprisingly friendly appliances.
Yes, surprisingly friendly appliances ang may idea talaga. Miss Bing, sobrang easy gamitin, sabi mo nga kanina. At alam mo ba, hindi lang yon, we actually cater also to safety or security of our users or viewers. So make it sure na lahat naman po ay safe po gamitin because it has a safety heater thermostat. So automatic po alam niya kung gaano kainit yung kayang i-produce ng ating dryer.
Ano ba yung pwede nating tips sa mga viewers para paggamit itong front load?
Actually, guys, sa front load dryer natin, what I usually say to them, hindi porket galing sa washing machine. Example, washing machine, diretso, di ba? You can actually wring it or, pigain din ng kaunti. It will help you lessen the water. Tapos i-shoot dito. Tapos guys, huwag niyo pilitin na sobrang dami kasi hindi magiging balance din yung pagka-dry ng damit nyo. Sabi nga ni Miss Bing kanina, kung puro mabigat, kung kasama yung may magaan like underwears, lingeries, sabay-sabay yun para mas ang term ko is medyo mas matuyo or even yung pagkakatuyo.
Saka hindi pa at least maiwasan yung discoloration at the same time paghahawa-hawa ng mga kulay ng mga damit. Kasi
Totoo.
sometimes we don't know na nakakahawa pala yung certain clothes dun sa ibang mga laundry mo.
Correct.
Tapos sabi nila, tinatanong nila kung safe daw pala ito.
Oo naman, guys. It is really safe because as mentioned earlier, everything that we have is we actually check on the safety feature, not only for users, but also a good thing, Miss Bing, ikaw, mom ka.
Yeah.
How old is your son again?
10 years old.
10 years old. So she can actually bond with his son na tuturuan niya yung responsibility of being a laundry guy in the future. Pwede niyang
Eventually.
alagaan.
Eventually.
Tuturuan talaga yan. So, safe na safe to, syempre with the guidance of the parents. Miss Bing, may nagpapasabi dito, okay. Sabi ni Bridget Alpes, good for mommies like me, maiiwasan na
Yeah, oo.
yung laba-laba. Sabi din ni Miko Baltazar, hi po, kamusta po kayong lahat?
Miko.
Hi din kay Mary Lou at Juliana. I'd like to say hi also to Yani Dominguez,
Hi, Annie.
Zeus Pasatiempo, Tonet Lee,
Hi, Zeus.
Raymond
Hi,
Villamor, and Nicole de Guzman. Hi guys! I hope
Hi,
you're doing
everybody.
well. Miss Bing, hindi lahat sa atin, aminado naman tayo, na kaya bumili ng front load. Okay? That's why, my dear, make it sure na meron tayong pang-cater to others also. That's why, I'd like to introduce to you sa ating mga audience ang My Dia Top Load Washing Machine. Yan! Kita
Ito
ba
ba
ni
to?
Miss Bing?
Ito ba
Yes.
yan?
Yes,
Ito, top load.
yan na
Wow.
yan. At has 4 capacities, guys, ha? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Baka matakot sila. Baka yan lang meron. It has 10.5.
Yep.
It has 8.5. It has 7.5 and 6.5. Ito po
Ito,
ay 7.5 to be
oo.
exact.
Exactly.
Yeah, 7.5. Okay. So, perfect siguro sa family to ng mga 4 to 5.
Yeah.
Mga 3 to 4. Pwede rin. Pwede rin siya.
oo.
Yung young family pa lang naman kasi syempre nag-uumpisa siya. Yes!
Nagulat ako sa feature na to,
Yes.
Kasi hindi ba normally when you open at
Diretso.
diretso, di ba? Diretso. But this one,
Correct.
guys, nag-snap siya. And then you can just, first, parang,
Alam mo kung bakit, ma'am? Feature yun kasi para pag kumuha ka ng damit sa loob, it will not fall sa iyong ulo. So, check kagad yun. Inaalagaan tayo.
meron pala akong meron pala akong konting tip. Kasi
Yes.
ito, madalas to napapag-usapan when dinideliver yung mga washing machines. May mga nanay sometimes, like my mom, when our new washing machine was delivered to our home, nung sinet up yung washing machine, hindi niya pinatanggal yung styro sa ilalim.
Nako! Guys, si Miss Bing na nagsasabi sa inyo ngayon, yung styro na yun, Miss Bing, bigyan ka ng idea, ha? Guys, yung styro, pag dumarating sa atin ng washing machine, may styro sa ilalim. Okay?
exactly.
That styrofoam is actually our transport support for the machine or unit. So, kung iniisip nyo po, it will be parang paa. The usual Filipino style, hindi po siya actually paa, guys. It's actually going to support your machine during transport. Pag babiyahe po, pag aalisin natin, pag gagamitin natin.
Kasi meron ibang styro talaga akala mo patungan.
Totoo, ma'am. Totoo. Totoo naman na akala mo siya patungan or pang-lift kasi parang hindi nababasa. Guys, sa ilalim po nito, may knob naiikutin mo lang ganon para meron ka rin ng
Pumas.
counting mga
Space.
1 to 2 inches na space para po hindi masyado mabasa. Tapos guys, Miss Bing ha, just to give you a few reminder, may rat guard pong kasama to. Para siyang screen na nilalagay sa ilalim na kailangan nyo pong ilagay para maiwasang makapasok yung mga daga.
Daga, exactly.
Yes.
Oo. Kasi normally, binabahayan nila yung mga ganyan. Eh.
Oo, totoo
Actually,
naman.
Minsan nga kahit pusa,
Totoo,
pupunta sa
ma'am.
ibabaw.
Hindi
pag
may
nagahan-
iwasan. Pag-ulan.
pag tag-ulan.
O guys, ito ni mga features ng top load ha. It has a one-touch function.
One touch?
Yes.
Ito?
When you say one-touch, guys, isang pindot lang, it will do your soaking, your washing, your rinsing, and even your spin drying.
Yeah.
Pangalawa, it has a smart sensor. Automatic po, isi-sense niya, ma'am, kung gaano kabigat yung damit sa loob.
Yes. Oo.
Para alam niya kung gaano karaming tubig ang lalabas.
Exactly. Oh.
And Miss Bing, ito kanina, sabi mo 7 pesos. Ngayon, it's piso per wash.
Mas mahal pa yung candy.
Yes.
Kasi may candy yata ngayon, 150 pesos na eh.
Totoo.
Hindi
Yes,
na
Miss
piso.
Bing, narinig mo yon.
Exactly,
It's piso
grabe.
per wash load. Napaka-convenient ng gamitin. All you have to do is wait na lang for your clothes. You have to save a lot of time doing your laundry. Actually, ma'am, ikaw mom ka, di ba?
Yeah.
So, imagine mo, shoot mo na lang yung damit mo dyan, pindot
Oo,
lang, pwede na
actually-
kayo mag-bond, mag-anak.
Pero actually, tutuwa ako dito sa cover na to. This is my first time na talagang nasa kalahati,
Oo.
yung takip.
Oo.
Kasi di ba sometimes, pagka inakyat mo, minsan bumabagsak yung ano.
Oo,
mainit yung
natatamaan
kamay mo.
ka.
Exactly.
Correct,
ito,
correct,
you
correct.
can fold it like this.
Oo.
And then, yeah.
Imagine yun na lang yan. So, Miss Bing, imagine mo for a top-load washing machine, okay, you can actually see that in our website. You can check www.mydiaph.com.
Oh, there's also again the
Yep,
warranty
correct.
inside the user manual. Guys, there's importance. It's crucial that you don't throw the user manual.
Guys,
The
user manual.
User manual yan. To
Correct.
guide you guys. Kasi akala kasi ng mga sometimes yung mga owners ng washing machine. Pag nakabili ka na, actually it applies to everybody.
Guilty din ako dyan.
Dinidispose yung user manual.
Correct.
Oo.
Wag po.
Wag po. Kasi,
Basahin po.
basahin kasi para ho maiwasan natin maling paggamit ng washing
Oo.
machine. It has a purpose. That's why it's there. Hindi po namin to nilagay para lang
Display.
pandagdag ng kalat sa bahay niyo. But
Correct.
this actually helps.
Correct. Guys, tip din Miss Bing ha. Just to give you idea, guys. Kanina sabi si Miss Bing about laundry. Tips, dadagdagan ko pa rin yan, guys ha. When you do your laundry, actually, there are different types of laundry detergents in the market. There's liquid, there's powder, but we prefer the liquid already. Kasi kung imagine nyo na lang yung liquid, water, parang watery na rin siya, sasama na siya doon sa tubig natin para mas ma-absorb ng damit natin. May iba kasi hindi natin maiwasan ha, hindi sasabihin ng lahat, hindi natin maiwasan yung ibang mga laundry detergent natin na naka-powder where there's chalk or powdery na titira pa rin sa damit natin at nagkakaroon ng, pag hindi na lalabhan ng gusto or nababanlawan, nagkakaroon ng after laundry smell na hindi maganda.
Oo. Tsaka with this 1 peso lang per wash, sobrang actually kahit pag araw-araw ka ng paglalaba, hindi ka gagastos ng malaki.
Correct.
Oo.
O, Miss B, may tatanong, si Yani Dominguez na tanong, saan po ako pwedeng bumili? You can go to our website. That's www.mydiaph.com. You can go for our online payment method. Meron tayong PayPal or credit card. Meron din tayong BPI and BDO transfer. They can go also for GCash.
Yep.
At guys, stay safe tayo kasi you are just going to actually order online and it will be delivered sa iyo within Metro Manila naman tayo. So, huwag kayo mag-alala kasi meron naman tayong delivery services.
Exactly. Na-mention mo kanina rin, kung halimbawa masira yung kanilang unit, what will the audience do for
Yeah.
that?
Guys, when you actually encountered any problem or inquiries na lang, ma'am,
Yeah,
di ba?
inquiries, oo.
They can chat with us sa website natin. Meron tayong online product consultants.
Oo.
We also have our call center partners. Tawagan nyo lang po yun. We also have Facebook page, which is My Dear Philippines. Pwede kayo mag-chat dyan. Sila po ang mag-guide sa iyo, Miss Bing.
Yung customer service natin.
Yes, ang customer service po natin ang mag-guide sa inyo kung anong tamang gawin. Kung talagang sira by let's say, first level sira to, iti-transfer nila kayo sa authorized service center partners natin. Guys, authorized service partners lang po tayo makipag-transact. Okay?
Yeah.
They are actually certified and trained by our Mardia experts in laundry para make it sure na talagang alam na alam yung mga produkto
Oh, you
natin.
can find the number of our after sales and customer service
Sa website.
sa website mismo.
Correct,
You can
oo.
also chat with them.
Oh, sinasabi dito ni sinasabi po dito na lang ni Marlon De Vera, which front load unit po yung with dryer na itutupi mo na lang? Ito actually, meron siya with dryer, pero this is only spin dry. Okay? This is spin dry. No, sorry, 12x8 hot dry pala to. There are two types kasi, Miss Bing, ha?
Yep.
Spin dry and tawag namin heat dry. Okay? Yung spin dry, that's 60 to 70% of dryness.
Yes.
Okay? But when you say heat dry, ito yung gumagamit talaga ng mainit na mainit. 90 to 94% yung possibility na matuyo siya. So, sa konting sampay na lang, titiklop mo na.
Guys, so sa mga, sometimes ito, sakit na ng mga ng ibang mga tao, yung hindi nila maintay na matapos.
Correct.
Pag tao, hindi pa tapos yung timer niya,
Sayang
yung
naman,
bubuksan.
guys. Oo.
Kasi it's also dangerous because there's hot steam
Yep.
coming out. So if you force the washing machine to open, or you force to open the washing machine, while it's spin drying, baka may mangyari sa'yo, mas scald yung skin
Nako,
mo.
boss. Careful ha. Thank you, Miss Ming, for that. Thank you for that. Thank you, guys, for reminding us na dapat wait siguro mga 2 minutes to 3 minutes,
Yeah.
diba?
Oo.
Oo.
Parang ano po yan, parang sa microwave lang.
Correct. Oo, wag
Finish
bubuksan
it.
agad-agad. Correct.
Finish
Oo.
the appliance to perform its duties before you open it. And
Miss Bing, sabi ni Queen Manse, wow, dream ko yung front load. Queenie Manse, mag-order ka na sa www.mydiaph.com. For sure, magugustuhan mo to, 'di ba? Miss Bing, alam mo kami sa bahay, when it comes to, kasi ako naka-top load ako just to share with you guys. Yung top load washing machine namin, actually, ginagamit namin. 7.5, okay. Merong fabric softener yan, syempre doon sa water level. So, minsan, pag natamad na ako, minsan, spin na lang, tapos sasampay ko na. Pero na-realize ko, iba pa rin talaga pala yung may Fabcon. Kasi yung iba gusto yung sense of bagong laundry effect. Yung feeling nila, ay, ang bango-bango ko.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So guys, please, wag kayo atubiling mag-chat sa amin or actually, kahit tumawag sila sa call center partner natin if they have any questions or concerns about this.
Yeah, oo. So, tapos pero actually itong mga products namin, meron po siyang mga sort of advisory, sticker dito sa sa mga precautionary measures. Like ito, for instance, this one, you're not supposed to, it's advised not to put this inside the bathroom.
Correct.
Or any place na marami po siyang tubig. Kasi baka mamaya while you're operating it, you're using it, mamaya makuryente kayo. So, keep it in a really safe and dry
Siyempre
place.
guys, yung may takip para lang safety rin for lifelong stand.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Bing, sinasabi lang ni John Joyce Castillo, my dear washing machine po ako top load 6 years na. Because we are making sure it's world-class quality talaga.
At
when it
tatagal
comes to
pa
this.
yan. Tatagal pa yan.
Agreed. That's good to hear. Thank you so much, John Royce Castillo, for
But John
that.
Royce, if in case, wag naman sana ngayon, nagkaroon ng problema sa iyong unit, you can always reach out to
Yep.
our after-sales service and customer service to provide you with the help that you need.
Yes.
And also, again, pag nasira, there's also warranty. So you check on the manual, it has a warranty there. It specifies what year o ano yung parts na covered ng warranty.
Correct. Miss Bing, speaking of warranty, guys, in mydiaph.com, we have there one page where you can do online warranty registration.
Yes.
Okay? That page, let's say ako, bibili ako ng bagong, any MyDia products, kahit hindi lang laundry, I'll go to the website, www.mydiaph.com, I'll go to the registration, I'll register my unit para kahit mawala man yung papel ng warranty ko or certificate, naka-online ako, alam ko ano yung naka-enroll na appliances ko. Tapos pwede makita, ay, ito pala yun, hindi na kaya magharap ng papel pa. That's one thing that we actually make it sure that the customers are actually very easy to reach out to us at the same time, sila there at the same, at the back of our
And
mind.
feel the, yun nga sabi ni Riva, basically, not just for the MyDia appliances
Yes.
that you have, any warranty form that you have on the manual, you use it, and also go to the website of
Correct.
the appliance center or appliance provider, and then fill up the warranty information.
Yes. Please do so.
Use that because that's part of what you paid for. So if you don't use a warranty certificate,
Correct, ma'am.
sayang naman siya.
Okay. So let's do a recap, Miss Bing. Recap ako. We have here my DS 12x8 front load washing machine. This is actually the ang tawag ko dito, social. Socials? Hindi,
Makintab
hindi
lang.
social guys, just joking. Gusto ko siyang social kasi social siya when it comes to cleaning your clothes kasi 12 kilos ang pwede mong i-wash.
Yes.
And then 8 kilos ang pwede mong i-dry.
Pero kahit ganun kadami yung kanyang nilalaban, it still takes care of
Correct.
the clothes.
Oo.
So, nilalabas yung clothes mo na tabingin
Or bacon na.
Bacon na. So, diba?
Hindi guys, kasi it's making it sure na safe and maganda po yung pagkalabas
Or
ng damit
nag-shrink
natin.
na yung medyas.
Correct, ma'am. Correct. Tapos it's easy to use, sabi nga natin, because there are actually preset menus already.
Yep.
Okay, that you can actually use. Merong My Cycle, yung preferred mong cycle. There is also anti-allergic, yung mga sensitive ma'am being,
Yep.
mga baby clothes,
Exactly.
or even yung mga adults na merong skin
Anti-allergy.
allergies, pwede din yun. May towels for mabigat, di ba?
There's also silent, tapos may delicate pa siya.
O guys, ito yung lalagyan. Ito yung pinakalalagyan natin ng detergent. Okay, and just to give you an idea, this is an inverter already, ha?
Oo nga pala.
So, matipid na to.
Ano daw ang ibig sabihin ng inverter? So marami pa rin nagtatanong, ano po ba yung
Okay,
inverter?
sige. Guys, when I say inverter, that's actually a direct current inverter. Mas nakakatipid po tayo ng kuryente or energy consumption. Okay, bakit? Because it's BLDC, brushless direct current na po siya. So kung baga sa makina inumpisahan mo, malakas. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy ka, hihina po siya ng konsumo. Hindi hihina ng,
Ng power.
performance.
Oo, ng performance.
Yung pinaka-performance po nito is tuloy-tuloy pa rin, pero yung energy consumption ang hihina. Kasi nga po, mararamdaman niya, ay, tuloy-tuloy naman to. Pag nagbago ka, doon na siya mag-operate ulit.
Actually, merong isa kaming parang Facebook viewer na testified na parang how many years niya nang gamit yung ano niya.
Oo.
Parang bago lang, for a certain time, ang bill niya is 1,600 sa
Oo.
Meralco. But then again, naging ano na siya, 1,300. So,
Uy!
300 pesos.
Mama,
ang
pambili
bawas.
ng sabon yun.
Dahil lagi niyang ginagamit.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear. All right. So, pangalawa natin, yung ating dryer. This is our heat dryer. It's one of my favorite. 6.5 kilograms. So, easy to use. Pindot lang dito ng kung max or medium intensity ng heat. Kung ilang minutes kung gustong gamitin or yung temperature, yung times. Tapos madaling gamitin. And then, pindot mo na ng start. After few minutes, done. Meron ka ng damit. Pwede mong isampayan. Guys, hindi sinasabi, hindi pwedeng, diretsyong tiklop. May iba, pinapahanginan pa. Siguro mga 1 hour to 1 hour and a half.
Kasi, aminin natin, hindi lahat kasi ng tela.
Yes, pares-parehas. Depende on the density ng tela natin. Or yung
Exactly.
pinaka cloth. Kasi katulad ng cotton, ma'am, may madaling matuyo.
And guys, separate your clothes. Medyo OC ako doon. Paulit-ulit.
White versus the color.
Oo,
Tama
kaya
yan.
Tapos yung
Tama
mga
yan.
manipis sa makapal na
Correct,
tela.
ma'am.
Otherwise, magsasuffer yung manipis mo pag sinama mo sa makapal na
At
tela.
lalo siyang naninipis.
Oo, huwag pagsamahin ang kortina at ang jeans.
Ay,
Kasi
nako po,
wasak
patay
ang
tayo
kortina.
dyan. Okay, do not forget actually also the My Diaz top-load washing machine. Merong 10.5, may 8.5.
And a very, very sleek cover.
7.5. Ito 7.5 to, tsaka yung
Yes.
6.5. It's one touch, okay? Tapos, it's also actually piso per load. At tsaka guys, ito yung may sensor. Yung
Yes.
sensor na yun, nagsasabi kung gaano karaming tubig ang ilalagay niya na sadyang siya na lang bahala
Oh,
para
hindi
sa'yo.
mo na yung iba kasi parang, normally kasi yung iba, like my husband,
Oh.
pag nag-washing machine.
Hi, Mr. De Ramos. Kamusta po?
Hanggang doon sa dulo, di ba meron silang sort of line na gano'n, tapos
Oo.
merong parang pailalim na
Oo.
doon. Pinupuno niya doon. So sometimes, doon kami nag-aaway na parang, ano to, ididilig ba natin to? Parang, gano'n ba karami yung lalaban mo? Kasi
Tsaka guys
puro tubig na lang.
Tsaka huwag kalimutan, alis din yung yung filter.
Oo.
Na para time to time, syempre may mga himulmol or may cotton. Alisin din time to time.
Oo. Or you can use ano ba tawag doon? Yung, lint remover.
Lint remover,
Oo,
pwede rin
reset,
din.
oo.
So guys, we would like to invite you again to our Facebook page.
Yep.
That's My Dia Philippines in Facebook. We have at My Dia PH for Instagram. For YouTube naman, that's My Dia Philippines Official at Miss Bing. Syempre, we are here at Wonder One Roof. That's our actually studio or our experience hub.
Yeah.
Okay.
Center?
That's Experience Center. You can actually reach out to them, to their Facebook page, which is Under One Roof Phil. Yung website naman nila is underoneroofphil.com. O guys, kung gusto niyo mag-visit dito, please go to their Facebook page or to their website para po pwede tayo mag-schedule ng appointment. So, you will be seeing our different Midea products, not only for laundry, Miss Bing.
Yeah, oo. At saka again, dito lang sa UON nyo makikita yung mga different setup of kitchens that you want.
Saya nun.
Para kung if you want to be inspired in building your home, this is a place for you to do. There are a lot of people here who will help you when you want to build your home. Like, put new kitchen and then also,
Inspiration behind.
tapos lagyan mo siya ng appliances ng Midea.
Ganda,
Ang ganda
no?
nun. Sana visit niyo yung website para makita niyo kung gaano kaganda ang aming under one roof experience
Yes.
center.
Oh guys, nasa website din namin yung mga different items namin na from kitchen
Yeah.
to our chest freezers, even our air purifiers, kailangan natin ngayon
Wine
yan.
coolers.
Wine coolers. At ang pinaka-favorite ko, yung pinaka-bagong Midea yun na air conditioner
Exactly.
na Wi-Fi control and voice control.
Oh, well, we really have a lot of products for you guys for all of your needs kasi nga itong Midea is basically for the family and also
Surprisingly friendly kasi siya.
we want to make kasi your home.
Yes.
You-
Your home. Nakita niyo yun sa video kanina.
Exactly.
Correct.
Make yourself at home. We want you guys to experience what it is like to feel at home.
To feel at home. Ang sarap na feeling at home ka talaga. Iba talagang Filipino home, sabi nga nila, Miss Bing.
Saka pagka di ba, pag nandun ka sa kunyari isang bahay na where everything is working fine and you're, just having a blast, having a time of the time of your life. Tapos hindi ka nag-worry about your laundry.
Correct,
about
ma'am.
your food, when you, di ba? It's a good thing that Midea is here.
May tanong dito, ma'am. Sorry ha. Mga viewers natin. May delivery ba po dito sa Cavite? Yes, we have.
Meron.
Cavite, Laguna. For Batangas, I think until Batangas City only. For Rizal, yes, we can reach out to that.
Batangas City, taga Batangas City ako.
Ayun.
Kamusta ho sa mga taga Batangas?
Ay, ano ga?
Ano ga ho ang nangyayari dyan? Naulan ho ba ka dyan?
So yan, lumalabas yung pagiging Batanggenyo ni Miss
Actually,
B.
Ilocano rin po ako.
Oh!
Northern Sara, I'm from Moncada City. Moncada, Tarlac.
I hope si Miss Bing is, I hope Miss Bing, one of these days we can reach out to the
Yeah.
Tarlac area, to
Yes.
the Pampanga, and
pretty
even the
soon,
Vicia.
pretty soon we will be doing something for people in
Totoo,
Tarlac.
totoo. I hope that my families in Tarlac and also in Nueva Ecija, in Cabanatuan
Gusto ko
also.
sana mag-Ilocano pero baka pagtawanan niyo ako. So,
Sample nga, Miss Bing, baka naman pwede.
imbag nga gabi eh.
Ay,
Gabi
wow.
kada kayo amin. Apo.
Ay, lalim. Hindi ko kaya yun. Okay, so guys, we would like to thank everyone for watching our 7th episode for Moments with Midea.
Nag-enjoy ako. Ganito pala feeling ng mga tao. Kasi normally nga ako nasa likod ng camera. Well, kami. May mga
Request
team
kayo,
na-
comment kayo kung gusto nyo
No.
umulit si
This-
Miss
This is
Bing.
going to be my
And there is
first and
another
last
request ako
episode.
na mabasa dito. We would like to request si Mr. Jonathan David Dow na next na mag-Moments
Ayan
with
o,
Midea.
actually dapat siya yung nauna.
Ay, oo nga, Miss Bing.
Oo, because
i-tape natin yan.
siya yung nagde-direct dito.
Oo. So, direct,
Yeah.
on the next Moments with Midea, ikaw na lalabas, ha? Ayan na, Miss Bing, you agree with that, I guess.
100% agree.
Go, 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 Miss Bing and Miss Riva, sabi ni Narza Nicole. Alright.
Hello, Nicole. Thank you for watching and I hope marami kayong natutunan ngayong araw na to.
Totoo. So, we would like to say goodbye first for this episode. We will see you next time. So, don't forget to follow, like, and share our Facebook page, which is Midea PH, para sa mga next episodes ng Moments with Midea.
Always visit MyDeaPH.com
Agree.
for products and discounts.
Yes, correct. At promos, Miss Bing, baka
Yes.
mamaya bigla na lang meron dyang how many % off.
Oh, check nyo lang yung Facebook page namin, especially this month kasi ang daming mga promos and
Miss Bing,
discounts.
nagre-request sila more of you daw.
No, more!
More of Miss Bing.
I can only do so much. So, guys,
Don't worry guys, we will be seeing a lot of new hosts for our Moments with Midea. Si Direk Jonathan nandyan, si Yani, si Zeus will be actually appearing
ako
here.
lang po ay a teaser. Pan-teaser lang po. But eventually, you will see different faces
Correct.
of our host for Midea, Moments of Midea,
Yes.
and also our other lives.
Nako, mag-8 episode na tayo, Miss Bing. So
Oo
guys,
nga.
abangan
Lucky
yan.
eight. Lucky eight.
Correct. So let's say goodbye, Miss Bing.
Goodbye, everybody. And we hope that you've learned a lot from us. And continue watching Moments of Midea because we really want to share everything, not just the products with you, but also the tips on how to live comfortably
Correct.
and happy.
And
make yourself
moments
at
with
home.
your family because
And
Moments
have
with Midea is
moments,
for you.
exactly, the moments.
So,
with
Miss
you.
Bing, on behalf of the team, thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much also,
And
Riva.
alam ko uulit ka.
Ay, hindi sana.
Alam ko ulit si Miss Bing sa 8th episode or 9.
Mahirap palang maging artista, actually.
Ayan, si Miss Bing nagsabi niya, no?
By the way po, again po, kasi meron na naman sa Facebook, hindi po ako yung Bing Ramos na nagpapa-audition kasi madalas ho na naman may nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan nagpapa-audition. Hindi po ako si Bing Ramos, taga ABS-CBN po yun. Ay, sorry, na-mention po yung network. Pero, okay, hindi po ako yun. So, stop sending me Facebook
Liberty Ramos.
Bing Ramos po.
Bing de Ramos
Bing
po
de
siya.
Ramos po.
Alright, so this has been your host, Riva de Guzman, with my special co-host, Miss Bing de Ramos. We would like to thank you everyone for watching. See you on the next live of Moments with My Dia.
Yes.
And we would like to say stay safe and have a great afternoon. Bye guys!
Bye,
Happy
guys.
weekend!
Happy weekend!